So this is a a a a a girl cockatiel parrot. It's like the girl cockatiel parrot is not like if you want them to lay an egg, like the cockatiel parrot girl, if you want it to lay an egg, you can't like let it lay an egg when it's like 9 months. You have to around like if you like very like want it to like not have issues, then just let it for like 4 years old. Then let it lay an egg by using something like this. Like you just put the food inside in something like this container. She might go in there, or you could just use a normal like nest for it. So the boy would would eat everything, but like it would like the boy would eat something and tell the girl if it's eatable, and then the girl will tell her little birds to like eat that or not eat that. So like that's how it goes. Then that's the boy, and the boy is like more aggressive than the girl. But if you like go like by them and then you don't know which one is a boy or a girl, you can know by if you hold it. And the boy's legs would be hard, but the girls will be like very very soft. Like if the girl is like kind of old of cockatiel parrots, like it wouldn't like it gets scared a lot, and it doesn't like when it's like 9 months old. If it's like a year old, it probably wouldn't be scared. But if it's scared, like just leave her alone until like it comes like good. When she wants to come, you can hold her. But if she doesn't want to come, if she comes and flies away, leave her alone. She might come later. So the boy looks like this, and the boys like some of the boys, most likely the boys look like this of cockatiel parrots, like this. And sometimes the boys might look a little bit different, but that's how cockatiel parrot boys look like. But the boys don't like a lot of stuff. They might be like a lot of scared, and that like not scared, like they might be like aggressive, might bite. So if you want to take them a shower, you just like if their wings are not cut in, you have to like wet the wings first so it doesn't fly away. Then you can just comfortably clean it, like wash it. But if you don't want to like wash it by yourself, you can just like put a bowl with water like this. Like that's if your cockatiel parrot is full grown, you have to pour that much water inside, but not that deep. So like they don't want to like go away. This is how close the boy looks like. The orange cheeks are how you know if it's a boy or a girl, the most likely. That's the orange cheeks, and with the and if you can know how if it's relaxed, if it's like his feathers are puffed up and it's bigger, like this, like that. If they're like comfortable, they will just be like that. And then when you bring your hand close, they come to normal a lot. The girl is very scared when you like want to get it. Step up. See, it runs away. That means like the girl is like not comfortable right now. She's like doing something. She's comfortable, and she likes like the girls like want to like stay in a place and don't do anything. But most likely the boy wants to, like, sometimes if the boy is not used to the girl or they're just playing, if you see them biting each other, like if the boy is fighting with the girl, it's like nothing that they're hurting self, they're just playing with each other. Like if the boy like looks like this, most likely cockatiel parrot boys look like this. But like if they are like very scared, just leave them alone. And if you want to know how the cockatiel parrot's food looks like, this is what they first eat. Then they eat this. It's like it's fruits in here, vegetables. That's what that is. And part of the girl, if it wants to fly, her wings will be out like that. But the boy doesn't want to fly. But if the wings are a little bit out, that means they want to like fly. If you want like them to come to you, you can say step up, but you have to say step up because that's how they should listen to you. But you just put your finger higher and say step up. Like put your finger a little bit higher and say step up. It'll come to you. And about that's the way of them. They like want the boy is like most likely like if you have like a boy that looks a cockatiel parrot that looks like that means you have a rare cockatiel parrot. And sometimes if you have a cage, sometimes if you have a cage like that, sometimes the girls goes on it, but not the boy. So please like and subscribe. That's all for this video.